Hey guys, welcome to it. Yes, time to roll out some recipes. I'm Joel Villafana, aka Cup of Joe, and Cup of Joe Christmas is in full effect. I am starting doing some simple, wonderful recipes using what is the latest crave in every kitchen. It's a Cuisinart air fryer. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a simple little appetizer in this air fryer that will get you raves and rocking raves when you host your next dinner party. Let's get cracking, guys. So, you know that I love salmon. I've done lots of salmon recipes on this show. So I have some salmon here. Always good to get good, lovely chunks of salmon. And I just really want to take this 4-ounce slice I have here, and I just want to get some nice big chunks. I would say 1.5 inch size kind of thing. And I just want to add that in here. I am in a kind of spicy Latin American kind of mood these days. So I decided to start with those flavors on this show. I kind of like Latin American flavors, Mexican type flavors sometimes. So a lot of spices kind of go with that. So I have ground chipotle, I have some smoked paprika, and I have some cumin, or as we know it here in the Caribbean, jeera. I also have some pepper sauce, salt and pepper. So I just want to start with a little bit of salt, sprinkle of pepper, and then going wild with my Latin American flavors. So some chipotle, some smoked paprika. Guys, you can use the regular paprika, but ever since I've started using smoked paprika, it kind of has changed my life. When I feel for that paprika spice, the smoke really just kind of does a little different thing to me. So I just want to kind of mix together. So looking at it now, I just want to add a little more. You kind of want to make sure everything is properly coated. All your salmon pieces are coated nicely. The most important ingredient, a little Trini pepper sauce. Your favorite pepper sauce, just a little sprinkle for a little heat, and you kind of just toss that there. So I am ready to get into my Cuisinart air fryer. So you could have tossed this in a frying pan, saute it up nicely. Salmon cooks really quickly. But the whole purpose of the air fryer really is to give you that healthy, but still that wonderful fried feeling. Beauty of an air fryer. So I have just kind of greased my air fryer tray, and I just want to just put it nicely on this tray as evenly as I possibly can. See if I can get all to fit in here. One layer, and this goes straight into the air fryer, and it will bake, fry for just about 8 minutes or so, just about 6 to 8 minutes. And you leave it 6 to 8 minutes, let the air fryer do its thing. Cuisinart got you covered in the kitchen. Beautiful salmon pieces. Just while it's happening, I'm going to create a lovely, creamy salsa dip. How does that sound? So this dip is too simple to be true. Mayonnaise, your favorite salsa, and you just season it up. I just want about probably a nice heaping teaspoon or 2. Some salsa, a little touch of pepper sauce again, want it spicy, touch of salt, touch of pepper, and whisk it together nicely. Simple, but full of flavor. Nice, creamy salsa dip to go with my Mexican flavored salmon. Let's check our Cuisinart air fryer to see where our salmon's at. We're ready to check the Cuisinart air fryer. It's just about 6 to 8 minutes. Just how you like your salmon. Hey. Oh my God. So guys, all I want to do, I have some lovely, as I said, I'm going with the Mexican, Latin American style flavors. So I have some avocados. Mexican flavored spicy salmon with my creamy salsa dip. Guys, easy recipe to get us started here on Cup of Joe. Thanks to the folks at Cuisinart, Thomas & Sons. Guys, get your air fryer, check it out. Lots of wonderful, wonderful appliances up there at Thomas & Sons. Perfectly cooked. Spicy.